Hello guys, Koshi asa तुम्ही. Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So आज आमचो plan असलो to go in the north side. So let's go. Okay, so as I said that today we are going north side. So I'm going with my cousin. He will meet me in Margaon. Actually we are going to see one beautiful waterfall over there. But I don't know the name. I'll let you guys know the name later on. आज जायत कार आणि बाईकचा फुल किती लागला काय म्हणून. So today is the Dashera. To all my Hindu friends, a very happy Dashera and no traffic today because it's Sunday. Just now we crossed Margaon. But my cousin have already left from here, so he will meet me on the way. So after the lockdown, first time I'm going north side after so many days. Not days, months, so many months. Otherwise we used to roam only in south. Actually I wanted to get my NS today, but because of the toolbox I had to get my Activa today. इतू माशे वॉटर बॉटल बी घालपा बऱ्या पडटा. NSA काही टूल ना, but very soon I will be installing top box for my NS. See the state of this roads, man. Shit. I think I have reached on the moon. केन्ना जातली बाबा तुमचे काबार. रोड जातला काय ना. So we have reached near Bamali Cross, and a few more minutes to reach in Panjim. That man looks like Gandhiji. Okay, so guys, we have stopped near this restaurant to eat something, and Troy is inside the restaurant, so we'll go inside. Okay, so try to kita hata.
Now homemade fried rice hata.
Homemade. Chalo to angka kota. Faida kota.
Garapason healthy homemade fried rice.
Okay, some try hoy tai. I think sangan azan hoy tai ja khabar na mu.
Actually the place unknown location आणि आम्ही थिंगा चड पोल्यूशन जावपा ना मग आम्ही ती प्लेसी नाव चड प्रॉमिस कोनी.
Okay, so guys, I can't tell you the name of the place, but I can show you the place.
Unknown place.
Okay, so एक बार Paul मटरी माई तुमका बेटा चला. We are eating fried rice over here. Okay, so guys, we are going now. One hour to go to reach our destination. I'll see you guys once I reach near the waterfall. We had stopped on this shop to buy some soft drinks. Now we are going. Sir, few more minutes to go. Ozari Pirna Bridge. This side. We have to go from this side. This waterfall is really very inside, guys. If you are coming here, then you have to take help of locals. Okay, so guys, finally we have reached on the spot. आणि मातशें चलोन वचो पडटा आतां. Okay, so guys, this is the waterfall. Yay! So Troy, तुका कशें दिसता हांगा वॉटरफॉला लागीं येवन तुका?
जिवाक सद्याक बरें दिसना, गोंयाक शेण लागला.
I'm just kidding, guys. This is not a waterfall. Track दी ते कोण. ए मोज कालम पडल्या सोद म्हाका. सॉक्स
सगळें शेण आसा हिंगा.
As you can see, there are so many people over here. Oh my god! Oh, dangerous, man, dangerous. Okay, so guys, so we have reached near the waterfall. And just look at the view. Okay, so guys, now it's time to go back, but not home. We are going somewhere else. Let's see where. Come, I'll take you all. Okay, so guys, so just now we have reached to Sinkeri beach, and we are going to, there's one place called Devil's Finger, so we are going to see there. And just look at the bikes. This is Taj Fort Aguada. Just look at the crowd. So guys, plan में थोड़ा सा change आ गया. We are not going near the caves. Actually we were supposed to go near caves, but because it became dark, so we have to change the plan. Now we are going home. Next time I will try to go there and I will show you the place. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this vlog, and if you did, then please do like, comment, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, moga soon.